Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows updates with the error code KB5050094 failed to install in Windows 11. So several factors could be responsible failure of KB5050094 are corrupted Windows update components, prevent the system from properly processing the update, insufficient disk space, and third-party antivirus software interferes with updates, blocking certain files or causing conflicts, and then I'll show you how to resolve that. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the Windows Troubleshooters. So all you have to do is open up on a search menu. So here at search for apps, and then you need to type Troubleshoot settings and then click open. So here at Troubleshoots, under here at options, then you need to select other troubleshooters. So click on this one. At here at Troubleshooters, under here at most frequent, then you need to select Windows Update, and on right side, then you need to click or tap this run and wait to complete detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. Okay, so troubleshooting has completed, and then you need to follow on the screen. So what we have here, so detected, check for Windows update issues, and then you need to follow these instructions. So did we fix your problem? Then just select on this one. All right, so after here at troubleshoot settings, and the other solutions we will do is to address services issue. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. So here at search for apps, then you need to type services and then click open. So once you open up this services, so in this services, Windows locate and double click on the following services one by one if these are already running, and then right click and hit restart. Alright, so on right side, so here at services local, and then you need to locate this Windows update, scroll down, and we need to find this Windows update. So once you locate this Windows update, so all you have to do is to select and right click. So if this already running, and then click restart. If not, and then you go directly click and double click. Alright, so we need to select this restart and wait to complete the restart process. So once it's already done, and then next, so select and double click. And here at general properties, so here at startup type, then you need to select automatic, and then you need to click apply and click OK. All right. And the other keyword we need to locate is the background intelligent transfer service. So scroll up, and then we need to find that background intelligent transfer service. So same procedure. So select and right click. All right. So this is already not running. So we need to click this start and wait to complete the start process. So once it's done, and then same, select and double click. At here at general properties, then here at startup type, then you need to select automatic, and then click apply and click OK. And the next keyword is to locate this cryptographic services. So scroll down and need to find this cryptographic service. So same, so click and right click. And then this is already running, so click restart and wait to complete the restart process. And after that, then select and double click again. At here at general properties, so select this startup type and select automatic, and then click apply and click OK. Alright, so after here at services, and then close. At here and start menu, and then you need to restart your PC. Okay, so click restart only. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Windows updates with the error code KB5050094 failed to install in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.